Welcome to the ASP.NET WebForms step-by-step series designed specifically for absolute beginners who want to learn WebForms the right way from the ground up. In this series, you will master key topics like the WebForms page lifecycle, working with the server control, understanding code behind structure, managing state, and accessing data using SQL. Whether you are a complete beginner, a student preparing for interviews, or a developer transitioning from other technologies, this series is perfect for you. Each video is hands-on with live code, practical examples, and project-based learning to help you apply what you learn instantly. Don't forget to subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy and turn on notifications so you never miss a video in this beginner-friendly WebForms series. Welcome back to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, you will learn how to use master pages in WebForms to create a reusable layout that includes a shared header, footer, and navigation. Let us jump in. A master page acts like a template for your site. It contains common UI elements like headers, menus, and footers, so you don't have to repeat them on every page. Content pages just fill in the blanks. To add a master page, right-click your project, choose Add New Item, then select Master Page. Name it site.master or anything meaningful to your project. Now, open your master page. Add a header section, a navigation menu, and a footer. Most importantly, add a content placeholder. This is where individual pages will inject their content. Here is a basic example. The layout has a header, a menu, and a footer. The content placeholder with the ID main content is where your content pages will show their unique content. Now, let us create a page that uses this master. Right-click your project, choose Add Web Form, and make sure to check Select Master Page. Then pick your site.master file. In your content page, ASP.NET adds ASP content blocks automatically. These blocks must match the content placeholder ID in your master page. You can now insert page-specific text, controls, and layouts. This is what a typical content page looks like. The heading and paragraph will appear right where the placeholder is defined in the master layout, keeping your site clean and consistent. Master pages help you avoid code duplication, update layouts globally, and create consistent UI across your website. This saves time and makes your code easier to manage. Let us look at it in action. As you browse through different content pages, the layout stays the same, only the content inside changes. Edit the master page once and all content pages update automatically. To wrap up, master pages are essential for a clean, scalable ASP.NET WebForms application. Use placeholders for content and keep your layout reusable across multiple pages. In the next video, we will dive deeper into nested master pages and themes for consistent styling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to ASP.NET and SQL Academy for more practical lessons. Nested master pages let you create layered layouts. For example, you might have a main site master page and a section specific master page inheriting from it. This helps keep complex sites organized and flexible. Remember, master pages are for the overall page layout like headers and footers. User controls are smaller, reusable parts like menus or login widgets you can add anywhere. They complement each other perfectly. Sometimes you need to interact with the controls in the master page from your content page code behind. You can do this by calling master.findControl with the control's ID, then casting it to the right type. Using master pages also benefits SEO and accessibility. Consistent headers and navigation make your site easier to crawl and navigate for users with assistive technologies. Plus, you can manage meta tags site-wide efficiently. For best results, keep your master pages simple and focused on layout. Avoid putting page specific business logic here and rely on CSS for styling instead of inline styles. Plan your content placeholders carefully for maximum flexibility. If you run into problems, common issues include mismatched content placeholder IDs, changes not reflecting immediately, clean and rebuild helps, or conflicts with JavaScript and CSS references. Keeping things organized prevents these headaches. For deeper learning, check out Microsoft's official documentation on master pages, explore our WebForms playlist here on ASP NET and SQL Academy, and follow community forums for tips and solutions. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and share it with your developer friends. Subscribe to ASP.NET and SQL Academy for weekly tutorials and let me know in the comments what topics you want next.